Railway stations are the heartbeat of our cities, connecting millions of travelers every day. But navigating these busy environments can be overwhelming. With ticket counters, platforms, restrooms, food courts, and waiting areas scattered throughout, even experienced travelers can struggle to find their way. What if there was a better way? A system that helps passengers find what they need, quickly and effortlessly? Introducing a groundbreaking navigation solution designed specifically for railway stations. At the heart of the solution is an intuitive mobile application, equipped with three-dimensional interactive maps, real-time directions, and step-by-step guidance to every facility within the station. Whether you're looking for a platform, restroom, or food court, the app makes sure you know exactly where to go, with just a tap. For those without smartphones, digital kiosks placed throughout the station provide the same navigation power, ensuring everyone can access real-time information. And we haven't forgotten about accessibility. Our solution includes voice-guided navigation for visually impaired passengers, ensuring inclusivity and independence for all travelers. Real-time updates keep the information accurate, reflecting any changes in station layout, delays, or facility locations. With this system in place, the flow of passengers is smoother, reducing congestion, saving time, and making travel more efficient for everyone. Our solution is seamlessly integrated with existing railway apps, offering a unified experience from ticket booking to navigating the station. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or it's your first time at the station, our multi-platform navigation system ensures that you find your way quickly, easily, and stress-free. Enhancing navigation for railway stations, making your journey smoother, faster, and more accessible.